Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a song from the Moen as we worship you, and we're going to be playing in the key of D. Alright, so that's our scale for D. If you're a beginner and you are still practicing your scale of D and then your chords, you could play chord 1 like this, then chord 2 like this, chord 3 like this, chord 4 like this, chord 5, 6, 7, 1, back to 1. Alright, so you can slow that down and then kind of go through it. So the song of the morning that we're going to be practicing today, as we worship you, let all the mercy we've received from you can set them free. Now, I'm not going to be singing the song because of copyright issues. Most of my tutorials have been copyrighted because of the songs. So I'm going to be showing you the chords that you would need to use step by step of the song. Then thank you for those who just joined my channel. God bless you. And those who have been watching, God bless you too. Keep on sharing, liking, and commenting. And let's get back to it. So as we worship you, let all the mercy we've received from you can set them free. So it starts on a chord 1, then alright, so your chord 1, and then you play your 4th note by creating a suspended 4th. As we worship you, then you move to 7. So chord 5 on your right, and then 7 on your left. So 7, chord 6, alright, so 1, 7, then move to 6, then 3, 4. Now the 3, I'm playing a 3 on the left and a 5 again on the right. So mostly you can use 5 over 7 and then 5 over 3, and it will sound nice. Okay, so that's chord substitution. So from 1, 7, then 6, 3, 4, then you play. So let's start again. As we worship you, then you move to the 3. This time I'm playing the 3rd chord again. So then you move to 2. Then you go back to the 3 again. Okay, so this time I'm playing the 3 like this. So it's this chord. I'm playing this note here, and then this note here. So it's like this. Okay, so I just played it in a compact way like this. So that's chord 3. Another way you can play it. Then chord 4. Then you play fives, the chord 5 but suspended. Then you go back to 2 again. All right, so let's continue from the very first step where you play then chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, while you play suspended. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically that's the song. As we worship you. So there's a chord. Chord 7. Chord 6. 3, 4, 3, 2, back to 3, 4, chord 5, okay, then 2 again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and as we worship you. So basically that's the whole song, and I believe this chord should help you. The progression is the same if you're playing in any other key. You just have to know how to play a chord 1, suspend it using the 4th note, and then from 1 to 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to 7. Then you start with your 2, 3, 4, 5, suspended like that. Go through it and then you'll be okay. God bless you for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe, the like, and then leave a comment.